This video is a part of a free chapter from my new course, The Blendinator. Click the links in the description to learn more. Chapter 7 is an introduction to 2D and 3D masking techniques that you can use to remove face markers. First, I'll show you the traditional 2D masking workflow that is very common among VFX artists. This is my least favorite method because it is slow and painful. But since 2D masking is a skill you'll want to have, I figured I'd at least show you how it's done in Blender. But the real fun comes with a 3D masking workflow. I'll show you how easy it is to set up 3D circles to follow the 3D trackers that we already created. And since we already have our motion tracked, we don't even need to animate anything once they are in place. This will save so much time. The second half of the chapter is devoted to using those masks to remove the dots on my face in the compositor. I start by showing you the traditional compositing workflows for marker removal. However, since I mistakenly used big blue dots on my face instead of small black dots, the traditional method doesn't fully cut it here. So I will show you several advanced techniques you can use in order to get rid of bad markers if you have them. By the end of this chapter, you should know how to remove face markers using both traditional and advanced workflows for optimal marker removal.